to the proposition that I run for Vice President, medyo I'm sold to the idea. So, meaning to say, I am seriously thinking of running for Vice President. But let me dwell into the reality of things. Sabi mo nga, if I run for Vice President, tapos ang presidenteng na-elect, hindi ko kaibigan, the situation would arise na sabi ko, I would remain an immortal thing there. Kasi pag wala kang sa presidente, suporta, wala ka talaga. Ito ang dilemma ko. The president that will win must be a friend of mine to whom I can work with. Otherwise, yung situation na tinatakutan mo would arise, especially if this guy, whoever, sino, would play politics again.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.